We proudly present a state-of-the-art log house nestled in the heart of a lush, verdant forest. This modern retreat features expansive windows that invite the outdoors in, filling every room with fresh air and abundant natural sunlight. It's a harmonious blend of contemporary design and serene nature, a true sanctuary in the woods.
A luxurious log cabin with a curved roof and stone chimney sits on a lush hillside surrounded by autumn trees. Large windows and a wooden deck create a warm, inviting feel, with a bench offering a peaceful spot to relax. A stone path leads to the entrance, and the clear blue sky above enhances the serene atmosphere.
Nestled in the heart of an emerald forest, where the tall trees sway gently in the whispering breeze, stands a majestic wooden log house, a stunning blend of rustic charm and sleek modernity. Its massive timber beams, warm and honey-toned, speak of strength and tradition, yet the clean lines and minimalist contours of the design give it a contemporary elegance. The front facade is dominated by expansive glass doors and wide floor-to-ceiling windows, framed by dark metal that contrasts beautifully with the natural wood. They invite the outside in, flooding the interior with golden sunlight and offering uninterrupted views of the lush, green surroundings. Through the glass, the interior hints at a cozy yet sophisticated retreat, where nature meets modern comfort. Surrounding the house, the forest breathes with life. Towering pines and ancient oaks create a living canopy above, their leaves dancing with the wind. Birds flit joyously between branches, their songs a melodic echo across the clearing. A pair of blue jays dart playfully near the veranda, while a red cardinal perches boldly on a branch just beyond the window, peering curiously at its reflection. This is a place where time slows, where morning dew clings to ferns and wildflowers bloom with careless grace. A sanctuary not just of shelter, but of serenity, a harmony of wood, glass, and wilderness. A home not built on land, but woven into it.